The topic uh, spoken communication skills is onward or continue. So before this, we have discussed about the how uh, communication skills regarding the mostly focus on speaking, how they are
Sir,
uh, being used in various departments or in our daily life.
सर
Now,
सबके माइक ऑफ करवाएं।
जी
सर सबके माइक ऑफ करवाएं, शोर आ रहा है काफी।
शोर आपको आ रहा है? 1 minute.
यस सर।
For a SE teacher or in our daily life, when we are speaking with someone in front of audience, sometimes we need that we have to analyze these communication skills, how people are interacting with each other, how you are interacting with your students. So these are the basic questions that teacher must keep in mind. If you are communicating with your students, you have to analyze your own speaking skills and how students are speaking. You have to also analyze them. Analysis means you have to divide your information in similar uh, in the form of breakdown. Means what words have been given or spoken by a person whom you are going to speak, whom you are going to communicate. And next one, the mostly in speaking we are using unrelevant words, vague type of communication, so it mostly becomes boring for listener and audience and also for a speaker. If you find that a speaker mostly uses vague type of discussion in the during the lecture or during the teacher, so you have to analyze or keep in mind in the feedback. You have to say that you have uh, broken down the analysis in the point of what the words have been said by the speaker. So एनालिसिस का मतलब ये है कि जो भी आप सुन रहे हैं, जिससे आपकी कम्युनिकेशन हो रही है, आप उसके वर्ड्स को, उसकी जो है ना वो जो भी डिस्कशन है उसको ब्रेक डाउन करेंगी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में. पार्ट 1 में आप उसको ये कहेंगी कि आपने जो भी इंट्रोडक्शन दिया उसमें इन चीज़ों की कमी थी. बॉडी ऑफ द लैंग्वेज में आप सेकंड में पार्ट में देखेंगी कि होल जो आपने प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन किया है, इट वाज आल्सो अ वे गुड टाइप, मींस उसमें एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी वर्ड्स ज़्यादा थे, फोकस ऑन द पॉइंट बहुत कम नज़र आया. तो ये भी एक स्किल है कि हाउ वी analyze our communication skills when we are speaking with someone. Uh, you see here there are objectives to provide the participant with the practical skills and knowledge necessary to express themselves clearly with confidence and power in a variety of speaking situation. Student will be taught presentation techniques, how to plan and structure an effective presentation, how to develop ideas effectively, delivery methods, and how to overcome anxiety, fear, and nervous when making a presentation. So here in the communication, you have to be prepared from the point of view mind that you have to set various objectives. The objectives must be consistent with the your ideas, your presentation, your anxiety. These are all factors which influence your communication. You have to analyze all these areas of the communication wherever you are finding that you are a speaker, you are a presenter, or you your teacher is not able to do something whatever you hope from them. So the communication skills from the point of view analysis, and the second one topic we have to effective communication speaking. These both topics are interrelated with each other. If you are a good speaker and you have a good speaking skills, means your analysis will be more accurate, perfect, and acceptable. Second one, we have to discuss this one way and two-way communication. Means communication from the two point of view. One way communication means only you have to perform, you have to discuss, you have to explain your thoughts, you have to give your lecture. Two-way communications means your audience are present and you are also participating with them. The communication cycle, how cycle is circling from the teacher, from the students, and slowly and gradually all the participants are participating in each other. What should be our objectives of your presentation, and identify one's audience. Means you have to keep all these in your mind. Barriers of communication also important, that what type of barrier you are facing. Planning and structuring an effective presentation. जब आप कम्युनिकेट करते हैं थ्रू द प्रेजेंटेशन, तो आपको प्लानिंग करनी है, डेवलपिंग यूर आइडियाज, आपको अपने आइडियाज डेवलप करने हैं. Choices of medium for presentation. What type of choice you are taking, either in English, Urdu, or Sindhi. Method of introducing subject startup. Which type of method you are going to use. What type of language you are use. Visual aids means are all so important for you during your communication. How you develop your ideas point by point. Delivery of your thoughts, how you are delivering, either verbal or non-verbal, mostly we use in communication. How you reduce your anxiety, fear, and nervous. How you overcome these situation when you are speaking with someone. So these are all the we can say the effectiveness parts of communication skills. Here we are ending our topic here, our chapter here. Next one, from the last few days you are not asking any questions about the topics. So आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि रिमेनिंग अगर किसी के क्वेश्चंस हैं जहन में